What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without actually posting them in your public story. To begin, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture at the top left to create a new story. Record a short video or add the image you want to see in your highlight. You can add music, tags, filters, anything you usually add to a story. However, instead of posting this to your main story where everyone else can see it, tap the arrow button at the bottom right and choose Close Friends. Before sharing, go to the Close Friends list and make sure it has only one person, ideally someone who will never view the story. Instagram requires at least one person in the Close Friends list, so you can pick a random or inactive account. Once shared to Close Friends, go back to your profile and tap the plus icon under Highlights. Select the story you just posted, tap Next, name your highlight, and then tap End. This will save the story directly to your highlights while keeping it hidden from your main audience. Now, wait for 24 hours, and this is important. Once the story expires, it will no longer be visible as a story but will remain in your highlight. After it expires, go to your profile, tap the highlight you created, select More at the bottom right and choose Edit Highlight. Tap on Edit Cover or tap on the small green arrow icon at the top right and go through the options to update the audience settings to remove that person from your Close Friends list. Now, the highlight will be visible to everyone who visits your profile, but it was never visible as a story to the public. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.